Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both devices. Power the Samsung TV and place the Apple remote within 3 feet. Once done, enable the TV's Bluetooth or IR receiver in its settings so it will accept external remotes. Now put the Apple remote into pairing mode per Apple's instructions. Hold the required buttons until the indicator flashes so the TV can see it. Make sure no other paired devices are nearby to avoid interference. Then move on to the TV pairing menu to discover the remote. You now handle the TV side. Open Settings and navigate to the Remote or Bluetooth Accessories list, then start scanning for new devices. When the Apple remote appears, select it and choose Pair or Connect. This initiates the handshake. If the TV shows a PIN or permission prompt, accept it. This secures the link. After the TV confirms pairing, test basic commands like volume and home to confirm control. If buttons are unresponsive, give the system a moment and retry the connect step. Finish by validating every control. Navigate menus, play and pause video, change volume, and power the TV off and on. Once everything works, you're done. If a function fails, remove the Apple remote from the TV's accessory list and repeat pairing. Make sure the remote has fresh batteries or charge. If problems persist, update the TV firmware, reboot both devices, and remove nearby Bluetooth devices that can interfere. This single troubleshooting tip often resolves intermittent or failed connections.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.